All right, Neely and I are gonna go pick out our favorite 500 and 200 gram cakes and show you guys what we got. All right, Neely's going first. Pick them out.
So my favorite 500 gram cake is Baby Dino. This one has a super wide performance and it also has really vibrant colors.
Nice, nice. Okay.
And then my favorite 200 gram cake is probably Toucan Play. So this one only has 9 shots, but it's actually a really good bang for your buck cake. It actually is really big bursts and it's really colorful.
My favorite ones are, let's see, wait. I remember it specifically because I watched it in the our thing the other day. I think, oh, yes. Is this a 500 gram cake?
Yes.
Yes, okay, Mining Man. This one, I can't quite describe what happened, but all I know is it was like utterly amazing, okay? Beautiful. All right, and then my favorite 200 gram is, let's see. I mean, I do really like Just Hain, but I want to say my favorite one is Angry Wife, just because first of all, logo amazing. Second of all, everything's amazing. Look at all these colors it's got in there. Beautiful, beautiful.